Want to bring your digital characters to life and see them strut their stuff, or even take a seat? Let's dive into Adobe Character Animator and learn how to rig a character to walk and sit, transforming static puppets into dynamic performers. First, open Character Animator and import your character PSD or AI file while your character will now show up. Now, in the Properties panel, make sure you have your character selected and look at the Rig section. Inside the Rig section, you can find Walk Behavior. Click on it to create a walk cycle. Now, we want our character to sit. Let's create a second behavior from the Add Behavior section in the Properties panel. In the Behavior, you will be able to add a different function where you can assign a trigger for your character, such as the sit-down function. Now, let's get your character to actually sit. The cool thing about Character Animator is you don't have to redraw every single frame. You can create different poses, like a sitting pose, and then link them to triggers. Using this method, you should be able to successfully walk and sit your character, giving them that extra touch of realism. Great job! Now your character can move about their business, and even take breaks.